Clean the bathroom thoroughly after unclogging a toilet to restore hygiene and prevent odors. Start by removing any standing water with disposable towels and transfer it into the toilet bowl for flushing. Then dispose of those towels in a sealed trash bag to contain contaminants. Next, clean and rinse the plunger and any other tools. Hold the plunger over the toilet bowl and flush while pressing down to rinse. Then spray with a household disinfectant and allow the recommended contact time before setting it aside to air dry on a washable surface. Wipe down the exterior of the toilet, seat, handle, and nearby fixtures with a disinfectant wipe or cloth and an appropriate disinfectant solution, working from cleanest areas to dirtiest areas to avoid cross-contamination. Mop or wipe the floor starting at the far corner and move toward the door using a fresh bucket of cleaning solution or fresh disposable mop pads, changing the cleaning solution if it becomes visibly soiled. Clean the brush or any reusable tools in a bucket of hot water with detergent and a disinfectant, then let them dry in the sun or on a tray that can be sanitized afterward. Finish by flushing twice to ensure all waste is gone, ventilating the room to remove odors, and washing hands thoroughly with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. Common mistakes include leaving the plunger wet and stored without disinfection, which can spread bacteria, so always rinse, disinfect, and allow drying on a washable surface before storage. Another frequent issue is using the same cleaning cloth or mop head for the whole bathroom, which moves contaminants around. So use separate disposable towels or designate one cloth for the toilet area and launder reusable items in hot water immediately. People also underestimate airborne contamination from splashes, so wipe high-touch surfaces like flush handles, doorknobs, and light switches after cleaning and keep the bathroom ventilated until surfaces are fully dry. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and share practical post-repair cleaning guidance tied to common repairs. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips and real-world experiences.